Hi, and welcome to Mira by Specialist Direct. This is the Mira training video for case administrators. We are so excited to have you here with us in promoting a proactive approach for injury management. With Mira, you'll be able to help transform your injury recovery case management experience for the better. You will be able to communicate and interact with your injured players, exchange information, track their recovery programs, as well as receive up to date data and reporting. As a club associate, you'll have access to our web based system, which can be accessed through a laptop, tablet, and your mobile phone browser. Let's start by showing you how to log into the web panel. First of all, check the welcome email that you would have received from admin@specialist.direct, which has your username and password. Click the link that you find in the bottom of that email, which will open up a browser to this login page. Simply copy and paste your username and password and then click Submit. Let's walk through the features on the web panel together on the left-hand side. You can see your name in a green circle around your user icon, indicating that you're online as well as your role. For example, case admin, coach, physio, player, etc., and your associated club along with its logo. You can click this user icon to change your status from active to inactive so that other club associates and players can see your availability status. In the top right corner, you can see a user icon in white where you can either edit your profile preferences or log out. Here you can edit your user details by clicking the edit button on the top right hand corner. You can add or edit your details on each field except for your email address. You can change your account password, your system preference, and your notification preference. Click Submit after setting each preference. On the left-hand side, you'll be able to see Dashboard, Appointment, User Management, Case Management, Chat, Recovery Progress, and Report. This dashboard is currently set to show the number of users and the number of return to play cases. Next, you can see the Appointment feature. This is where you can create appointments with other users and players. To create an appointment, click the plus button in the top right-hand corner. This will open up appointment details. Fill out the required fields including date, time, mode, and location. Add the desired users for the meeting. If it is an online check-in, be sure to add the link. If an appointment needs to be rescheduled, you can use the chat function to make adjustments. In the User Management tab, you can see all the associates and players in your club. Add a case to support an injured player with a return to play. If you aren't sure whether the player is already in the system, you can do a search for them. To create a user account, simply click the plus button on the top right-hand side. Select the type of user, in this case a player, and add their required details such as a title, name, email, gender, date of birth, country, phone number, and associated coaches. Ensure that the read and write roles are selected and then press Submit. After creating a player, their details will be visible along with all other users under the User Management tab. If you have multiple users to create, you can also do a bulk import. Once the injured player has been added to Mira, we can now add a case for them under the Case Management tab. In the User Management tab, click Add Case located next to the relevant injured player to open a new case. You will then be able to fill out the injury details in the required fields and upload any necessary medical documents and notes. Here is an example of a case where a player has suffered from a concussion during training. We selected acute as the mode of injury, direct contact as the mechanism, and head and neck as the region of injury. We also disclosed the estimated treatment completion and estimated return to play date, which are not always the same. We ensure the case status is open and only close it once the player has returned to play, And we also include a training plan with corresponding notes from the relevant stakeholders, such as a general practitioner or physiotherapist. You can view active and inactive cases under the Case Management tab. Here you'll also be able to edit case details. Once the player is ready to return to their sport, ensure you close the case. Our traffic light system is a visual representation of how your player's return to play progress is tracking. Choose red to symbolize a player's unavailability, orange to symbolize that they're in recovery, yellow to symbolize that they're waiting for test results, and green if they are available to return to play. Under the Recovery Management tab, you can select whose progress you would like to view by clicking View More. By selecting Pain or Mood, you can then view the injured player's pain or mood graphs by selecting a date range. This is the results of their daily rating of their pain and mood and any comments they have left. Don't forget you can use the chat function to check in with them too. If you have difficulty logging in or using Mira, you can send a quick email to support@specialist.direct and we will get back to you as soon as we can. Thank you for watching.